Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel Androitivity on YouTube and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get quick notifications of my future updates. Hey guys, so today in this video we will be knowing how to install Cleo cheats in GTA 3 without root, and it's very easy and very fast. So as you can see, you have to just swipe up to down and your cheats and cards for options will be there. So you can do it like this and your car will spawn. So this is the way. So let's head towards our video. So guys, what you have to do is to just follow my steps. So first of all, open your browser and there go to the link in the description, and there you will see this page. You have to go down and download Cleo files. You just have to click download and you will be directed to download page. From there you can download. After downloading, go to your file manager and there just go to your downloads folder and you will get a zip file. So what you have to do is to unzip the zip file by doing this. It will ask for a password. The password is by space Androitivity. All letters are small. By Androitivity. Then you have to click OK. Then your extraction will be started. Once it is extracted, just open the folder and you will see two files. To install the GT3 this file, you have to first uninstall the old. So you have to uninstall the old GT3, but before that you have to save your OBB file. For that, go to your Android OBB folder and rename the Rockstar Games folder. You can add any letter in it, and then what you have to do is to uninstall the old GT3. After doing this, you have to go back to your file manager and remove the letter you have added in it. Then what you have to do is to go to your own folder and the previous folder and copy the Rockstar Games folder. Then go to your Android data and paste it. After doing this, you have to install the Cleo no root APK. It may take some time, so please wait. So when the installation is complete, you have to just click on open. Then your game will be started. Then here you can see the Cleo are working properly. Then you have to just start the game.
I know a place on the edge of the red light district where we can lay low, but my hands are all messed up, so you better drive, brother.
So then what you have to do is to swipe from up to down, and there you will see the cars and cheats options. In cheats there are many options about weapon and many more. Then what you can also spawn some cars like this. So guys, this is how you can install the Cleo cheats in GTA 3. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel Androitivity on YouTube and don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe this channel. So I thank you for watching. Thank you.